Welcome to Be Amazed 254, where amazing people come to learn and get entertained. In today's video we will journey through how to make money online on Fiverr in Kenya. Don't forget to subscribe and kindly leave us a like. Fiverr is an online platform which provides an easy and effective way of making money online. It is a website whereby you can offer your services by posting on the site as well as purchase from what other people post on the site. How much can a beginner make? Fiverr depends on how good you are at marketing products and services, just like any other business. Some people are earning really good money on Fiverr, with some topping at $10,000 per month. It's all dependent on your skills, how great your marketing is, and how much time you are willing to put into it. If you've been wondering how to make money on Fiverr in Kenya, then you're in the right place. How to make money on Fiverr in Kenya. Services on Fiverr are offered as gigs. You create a gig that describes what you will offer buyers on the platform. You state your price, and then clients browse the gigs available, choose yours, purchase it, and then pay via escrow. To start making money on Fiverr, follow these steps. 1. Sign up on Fiverr. The first step is to create a free account on Fiverr by signing up. Fiverr allows only registered users to sell and buy on the platform and charges a 20% commission for each sold gig. To create an account, visit fiverr.com and click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page to get started. 2. Create a seller profile. This step is an essential part of using Fiverr because it represents you professionally. Creating your seller profile usually takes about 30 minutes, but the time varies depending on how much information you include in your profile. 3. Create a Fiverr gig. Once you have a profile, the next step is to create your first gig. As mentioned earlier, a gig is a service offered on Fiverr. You can choose from more than 2 million services on Fiverr and enter your price. Some of the most popular gigs offered by Kenyan sellers include 1. Graphic designing. Graphic designing is among the top ways of getting to make money on Fiverr in Kenya. This is more so if you do it at a professional level, because then Fiverr will be looking upon you as a professional designer. As a beginner on Fiverr jobs in Kenya, you can begin by offering to do simple things like designing PowerPoint presentations for clients at $5 per slide. You can make as much as $100 for a single project, and even more depending on your devotion to the place. 2. SEO support. Again, a Fiverr is a platform where you can post detailed information about products and services that are offered. One of the things that could be done by a Fiverr Kenya user is to provide SEO support. For instance, if you've noticed many people using one particular plugin on their website but it's not working as expected, they would need someone with knowledge in search engine optimization techniques to fix the problem for them. As such, one can easily get $5 per hour from clients who require this service. For those with experience in SEO or those who want to make money online through writing articles or blog posts, you should go beyond just posting content at $5 per 500 words on Fiverr, then try to expand the client base by offering your services to bloggers who are willing to outsource their writing for prices of $5 per article. By the end of it all, you can make more than $3,000 a month by sticking to SEO support and other small programs and jobs that are under it. 3. Content writing. If you are a writer or blogger by profession, then you can make more money on Fiverr from writing. Fiverr offers you the opportunity to offer your services in content writing, and this is a good way of earning an income from home if you know how to leverage it well. For example, one client may need a sales letter for his products, while another client may be looking for someone to rewrite some articles that he or she has already written but delivered in poor English language. It all depends on what kind of work you do best, and the most interesting part about Fiverr is that it allows you to pick jobs that you feel you can do. Plus, if you can do good to a client, they may just keep coming back to you. Your earnings under this can be $100 to $2,000 in a month. 4. Virtual assistant. This is just like the job you actually do for someone in your office. Just that, instead of being paid to be doing work inside a physical office with other staff members, you will be paid to take care of tasks online such as booking trips, submitting forms, and much more. It can come in different packages, but it normally runs for $5 to $20 per hour depending on how long your client needs the services. What makes it really different is that you can work your own schedule and still make good money. 5. Mobile app development. Since Fiverr just introduces you to clients, this is another way you can earn handsomely. You can make $300 on a bad month and on a good one as much as $3,000. Aside from creating apps, you can also offer consultations on how to convert websites into mobile-friendly ones or help developers with existing apps by finding bugs and weak spots in the system. The great thing about this job is that it isn't bound by any time schedules or strict rules, so you can work from home. 6. Video marketing. Fiverr has a video section, although it's not that popular as the other sections. If you feel comfortable in front of the camera, then this might be a good place to start. Take advantage of how easy it is to make videos for this job and start creating your own channel on YouTube. Learn how to edit photos and videos by watching tutorials online, then apply what you've learned to your own work. You can also offer services like voiceovers or editing existing video clips into a new one. Some people make $200 a month and others are capable of earning up to $2,800 a month. 7. Digital marketing. If you're good at promoting products that are relevant to a specific niche, then why not get paid for it? Digital marketing is an evergreen market, and anyone who knows how to do it well can earn some cool cash. This is among the gigs that are ever present on Fiverr. As you learn how to make money on Fiverr in Kenya, this is a skill that might really come in handy. It gives you the opportunity of making up to $3,500 a month. After completing all the necessary steps we have discussed, the next step is to wait for orders to arrive. The platform receives many buyers every day, so you shouldn't have to wait long before receiving orders. Knowing how to make money online on Fiverr in Kenya is handy, but it gets much easier with these following tips. 1. Create great titles and descriptions. 2. Use great images in your gigs. 3. Get good customer reviews. 4. Offer discounts to buyers. 5. Fast order delivery. Thank you for watching this video. You are such an amazing person. If you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community.